Welcome ladies and gentlemen. In this video I want to show you how you can install Bind9 Web Manager with the installation script on a fresh VPS or root server. You only use this script on a fresh or new server because it will break running configurations or running systems. And the first thing you have to do is to go to the repository on GitHub, Bind9 Web Manager, and download the scripts installer.sh file. If you have this file, upload this file to your server's root directory. Connect to your root server via SSH and execute the uploaded file. Eventually you have to adjust the permissions of the file by typing gmod u +6 /installer.sh and then just type sh installer.sh space install. It will give you some information. Press Y after you read this information. Okay, read this information please. It's there for a reason. Press Y, enter, and wait for the process to finish the installation. It will ask sometimes for different stuff like, yeah, let's just see. Okay, now the installer is asking us if we want to create a Let's Encrypt certificate. If we choose no here, it will create a custom certificate, which can maybe be more secure in some environments as possible. But in this example, we will create a Let's Encrypt certificate. We need the domain of the server. This full qualified domain name is sunrise.hv-inf.de. The account mail for the Let's Encrypt certificate has to be a valid email address. Just use your own one. Now it's asking for the MySQL data to be created. I will choose the database name test. MySQL username MySQL. You can choose whatever you want. The new password MySQL. Okay, now on this server I have started the installation process before, so there's already a root password set. I have now to enter the already set root password. You can run the installation script multiple times if you encounter errors. So if you run the installation script twice, it will not break a running installation. Just keep in mind that the database, the MySQL configuration, if you recreate the database or change the database name, that old data may get lost on an already installed system if you run the installer again. Enter the time zone. We will use my time zone, Europe, Berlin. Okay, now the installer is complete. Again, read the information here and copy this somewhere because this is important. Now we will log into the server, which is sunrise.hv-inf.de. Now we are greeted by the installer. We click begin setup. As we have used the installation script, the variable should be okay. We click continue. And now we have to enter the MySQL data here. You can enter a website title and your Impressum URL also. And the server full qualified domain name. It's really important that this domain name is correct and public reachable, or local reachable if you are using local domain name systems. If you are using the installer script on a fresh system, so we are always expecting that you use this installer script on a fresh system, always choose standalone mode, even if you have other options here. Don't choose other options. You can choose the other options if you know what you do, but if not so, leave it at standalone. You have different settings here, which the installer will create. You can change the settings later at the web root folder /DNSHTTP/web/data/settings.php if you want to adjust them. But be cautious when you adjust DNS related configurations, because this can break the system really quick. And yeah, always choose standalone mode, enter the desired data, and click on install and create config. Installation complete. Okay, now your DNS server is ready to go, and the default login is admin and change me. Alright, thanks for watching and have a good one. The cron job, you will see an error message here. The cron job has not been executed the last 3 hours. It's set up to execute every 2 hours, so just wait 2 hours and the message should turn green. Alright, thanks and bye bye.